Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. Mine is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold had a blast again. After FOMC, gold made a high of 2458, 2459. And right now, gold is standing at 2445. Before FOMC, gold was waiting. Okay, waiting. Gold was trading around 2420, 2425. When the news came out, okay, there was a big plus on gold and gold was unstoppable. So this is the current market condition, and you can easily understand that market sentiment is bullish, both fundamentally and technically. So what we should be doing then? We should be looking for buy positions only. Why buy position? Because my dear friend, trend is our friend, and to survive in the market, okay, you need to respect the trend of the market. And as the market sentiment is also bullish right now, okay, it will be better for us to look for buy position, means buy at dip. What? Buy at dip is the best and the safe trading strategy for us as of now. Okay. Let's look at the market sentiment. You can see gold post record high finish lifted by Fed rate cut hopes. Gold holds near record high. Gold held its earlier gains and traded above 2420 per ounce on Wednesday, remaining relatively close to the record high of 2470 from July 16, supported by expectations of looser monetary policy in the United States and fresh demand for safe haven assets. So this is the ongoing market condition, and you can see dollar extends fall on Fed rate cut bets, dollar sinks on yen strength and dovish Powell. Yes, dollar index is also going down, but the correlation between DXY and gold is not like earlier. It's we do not get to see the candle by candle correlation, but yes, whenever there is a big impact on the chart of DXY, we get to see the opposite on the chart of gold. So right now gold is bullish. That's it. And my reference, if you're looking for live market analysis, then Dotbee can be the best solution for you. Earlier also we have discussed about Dotbee. Those who don't know about Dotbee, it's an AI-powered chatbot that answers everything, especially for traders like us, very useful for beginners. You can see on the left-hand side, they have an AI-powered chatbot that answers all your questions. But Dotbee also have a real-time market analysis that is very useful for traders who want live analysis, those who want real-time market analysis. On the right hand side, you can see that this how the live market analysis looks like. You just need to select your favorite pair or option from here, and you need to select the preferred time frame, and you will be getting real-time analysis. You can see how powerful and useful this analysis can be. And the best part is that, okay, you can also install their application, and while looking at the chart, you can have the analysis from time to time. Isn't it awesome? Feel free to check out. The link is in the description. Okay, now let's talk about gold then. So gold is standing at 2446 or below 2450 right now, and gold is bullish. We have also seen the market sentiment. Then obviously it is safer for us to be on the buy side. If you're holding a sell on the chart of gold, be careful. It is high time to exit because we do not have any major event coming up, okay, that will bring a complete trend reversal. Okay, if we look at the economic calendar, yes, we do have some news coming up during the US session that will bring volatility to the market. You can see we have PMI coming up, so please be careful. So whatever levels we will be discussing, okay, those are mostly valid before the US session, because we are retail traders. We also have some limitations. Our technical analysis have some limitations because when fundamentals or news dominate, it doesn't work. So to make money at the time of news, you need to follow the trend of the market. That's it. Okay. So if you're having a buy on gold right now, okay, you don't need to worry. You can continue with the buy position because fundamentally and technically the market is bullish. At least we can expect gold to hit the level of 2458 at least. Okay. During the day, if we see gold coming for retracement, then we have few levels already drawn on the chart. Okay, let's discuss one by one. So on the chart of gold, Okay, the best level where we can look for buy is around 2414. Around 2414, we have the best buy position. The second best buy on the chart of gold is around 2424. Yeah, so 2425. Okay, this is the second best buy position on the chart of gold if market comes for heavy retracement, because we can clearly see there is no sign of heavy retracement now. But gold is full of surprises. Market is full of surprises, isn't it? So if market surprises us with heavy retracement, these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. Why? Let me show you. The reason is, okay, again we are using our beloved FIBO. Yeah, from here. See, already we have seen that market has respected our this level when we are considering this low of the market. Okay, so you can see this is our FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Which level? 2425. Okay, 2425 our FIBO 38.2 plus the previous resistance will also be working as support, and already market has taken support around this area. So we can expect that if market drops also, 2425 will provide some support to the market. And yesterday the level was working as a good resistance. So from Fibonacci, from both price action point of view, it seems to be a good level. And if it fails, then we have the 2414 area. Why 2414? Because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and we have the 50 moving average coming up. So these are the reasons why we can consider 2425, 2414 in case of a retracement. But you must be thinking that Avilash, 2425, 2414 far away. Okay, that's why, okay, we also need to focus on an immediate level, and the next immediate level is coming around 2433. Now you can see I have changed the starting point of Fibonacci, and we have the first Fibo level coming at 2433. So on the chart of gold we have three levels for support where we can look for buy at retracement: 2433, 2425, 2414. These are the three levels where we can look for a buy position. Personally, I believe that this is the best level or the strongest level where we can look for a buy position. The rest of the levels are also good, but they will not work at the time of news. When the market is volatile, 2433 will not work. 2414 may not work. Okay, but 2425 seems to be a good one. Okay. So these are the levels where we can look for buy if market comes for retracement. But many times we have seen that market doesn't come for retracement. Obviously, we cannot force the market, isn't it? In that case, we can look for a buy at breakout. Means yesterday market made a high of 2458.60. So what we can do is we can look for a buy above 2459. Okay, we can look for buy above 2459 if market breaks it. But as we all know, buying at breakout is a little bit riskier in comparison to buying at retracement. So what you can do is, okay, you can obviously you can follow proper risk management, but try to go with a small lot size. Okay, as I always say, okay, if you usually go with a lot size of 0.5, then this time, okay, take a lot size of 0.1. If you take a lot size of 0.2, then take a lot size of 0.08. Okay, means, okay, reduce the risk here, because after breakout, okay, after breakout market may come down again. Okay. And right now the problem is that, okay, though we have some resistances, nobody knows where gold is heading. If the same market sentiment remains, then obviously gold will be heading towards 2500. Okay, isn't it? Next NFP will be very important. And if you're wondering about resistance, if you have a sell, then the next resistance on the chart of gold is around 2473, 2469. This is the next resistance zone on the chart of gold, but I will not recommend any sell, because taking a sell in this market is very risky. But if you're an experienced trader, if you can handle this type of risk, that's your personal opinion. But personally, I will not recommend any sell here. Buy breakout is a good one, but be careful. Initially you can target 40 pips. If you see that after 40 pips also market is really going high, market has further potential, then you can continue. But be careful today, and especially be careful at the time of news. Okay. And if you look at market on the lower time frame, like 15 minutes, we may see a selling opportunity around 2458 because we all have a notion in our mind that at the previous high we can look for a sell. But when the market is very bullish like this, taking a sell at the previous high can be very, very risky. Especially, you should avoid taking a sell at previous high during the US session because when volume is present in the market, selling at previous high or previous low may not work. Okay. So time will speak. During the Asian session, this may work, but chances are very less right now. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Okay, let's wait and watch. Be careful. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.